Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 14, 2023. 4-star Sudoku. Column F, 6th row, we have pair numbers 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. It will confirm later. Column F, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 174, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 8. 4th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column H, column J, and 3rd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 2nd row, 3rd row, we have pair numbers 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 3rd grade, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 7th row, 8th row, and 3rd row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 9th row and 5th row, we have pair numbers 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 10th row, column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column C, column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column I and 6th grade, we have 3 and 5. Column F also we have 3 and 5. We have pair numbers 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column C and 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 3rd row and 4th grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 8. 8 also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 9th grade, column E, column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 7th grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. 4th grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 9. 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column C, 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 8. 2nd row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Second row we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Second grade, third row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Eighth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in one of these cells, it will confirm later. Seventh row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column G, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column G, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 8th row we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 10th row and 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column H we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column H we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column J, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row we have 7, so 7 can't come in these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column F and 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 5th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 5th row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 7th row we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column H and 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 6th row we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.